How to book flight tickets in Skyscanner. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can book flight tickets in Skyscanner. So to begin with, open up your application. So once you're logged into your Skyscanner account, you can see right on top you have this flight icon located in the top left hand side corner. Select it. Next page is going to ask you to select the type of trip that you wish to continue. So select the trip accordingly, and once you've done that, underneath you need to select the departure place. So first of all, you need to select your current location. Let's go with this one, and after that you need to select the destination. So select where to and select the place where it's actually your destination. Now select the date accordingly. Once you're done, click on the confirm button. You can also select the number of passenger that's coming with you. Just tap on the done button and select the class as well. After that, click on the search button right at the bottom. It's going to take you to the page where it's going to show you a list of category. So select the date first of all, or the date. After that, select choose a provider right at the bottom, and here once again you have a category. Select it accordingly. So select button, tap on the select button. After that, it's going to take you to the confirmation page. Once again, you'll be able to see multiple category of flights that's available. So select the flight accordingly, tap on the book button right at the bottom. After that, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be asked to provide in your contact details, all sort of information, your luggage details and all that. Once you're done entering your luggage detail and all that, after that it's going to ask you to provide in your card details. After that, it's going to ask you to make a payment, and if you're done making a payment, you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that you've successfully booked a flight. So that is how you can book a flight in Skyscanner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.